Okay, boys and girls, welcome to solving rational equations part 2. In this part, we're going to look at solving rational equations graphically. So I am not a fan of using Desmos to solve rational equations, but that is what you have at home, and that's what you can use on the EOC. So I'm going to show you the best way that I can. There's some limitations to this, and we'll talk about those limitations. But from my experience, the best way of doing this is simply to put the equation into Desmos as it is. So we're going to start by putting this first equation into Desmos. So we have x divided by x minus 2. And then we can do plus x divided by x squared minus 4, and that's going to equal to parenthesis. On this one we have to put a parenthesis since we're dividing everything by x plus 2 plus 3. Oh, and I need an equal to sign there somewhere. Forgot my equal sign, sorry. Equals parenthesis x plus 3, close parenthesis, divided by x plus 2. Okay? And we graph that, and you might say, I see absolutely nothing. Well, we have to kind of move it. I was playing around with it earlier, so I don't have a standard screen. There we go. So normally your screen will go from negative 10 to 10, so you would have seen that it crosses here. And this vertical line represents your answer. So you would have to find the x value of this vertical line. So we see that the x value here is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. So it crosses the x-axis. It's lying on the x-axis at x equals negative 3. So that is our solution. Okay, this vertical line, the x value of this vertical line is our solution. Alrighty, let's do number 7 here. Clear that. And we have 7 divided by x minus 1. And that's equal to 3 divided by x plus 2. And I did something wrong. I did. That should be 2. Sorry. That was 2 over x minus 1. So again, I'm not seeing an answer. So I have to kind of just go over and kind of scroll over to see if I can't find my answer. And I see that it crosses at 7. The x value here is 7, positive 7. So that's our answer. Okay, so what I would like for you to do is to pause the video and try problem number 8. Just problem 8. Okay, welcome back. I hope you were able to do that. And I'm just going to do it with you quickly. 2 divided by x squared minus 9 plus 5 divided by x minus 3 is equal to 3 divided by x plus 3. Okay, and once again, it's hiding from us. So I'm just going to kind of scroll over. I don't see it there, so let me scroll the other way. And there it is. It's hiding from us. It's at negative 13. Negative 13. And technically, I should say x is equal to, x is equal to, x is equal to. Now, with the rational expressions, sometimes you can get more than one answer. So I just made this problem up, number 9. Because I wanted to show you sometimes you can get more than one answer. And what that's going to look like is just 2 vertical lines. Okay, so you say, well, I don't see any vertical lines. But again, we got to scroll over to see them. So I have 2 vertical lines. Notice one is at 1, 2, 3, negative 3. And this is one of the reasons that I am not a fan of using this method, because I can't find the answer if it's a decimal. So this looks like it's somewhere between 4 and 5. And so what you would have to do on a free response on a multiple choice test, you would have to just choose the best answer to see which one gives you the correct answer, or you could solve it algebraically like we showed before. But we know our answer is going to be something like maybe 4 and, I don't know, 3/4 or something like that. Again, you can choose the best. If on a multiple choice question, you could choose the best answer, or you could do this algebraically to find an answer. Okay, let's do the last one. And on the last one, we get something completely different. I'm say parenthesis x minus 1 divided by x minus 5. Oh, I don't know what I did there. X minus 5. And that is equal to 4 divided by x minus 5. Now, I'm just going to kind of scroll over to see if I see my vertical line. No vertical line anywhere in sight. Let me scroll the other way to see if I see a vertical line. I'm in the negatives. I still see no vertical line. So for something like this, when we have no vertical line, then what we want to do is we want to say that the answer is no solution, because it never crosses, doesn't produce a vertical line. Okay, boys and girls, that's all that is for this video. So remember, you're just going to put the entire equation into Y1, graph it. You want to find the vertical line. Wherever the vertical line crosses the x-axis, that is the solution. If it has 2 vertical lines, that means it has 2 solutions, and you have to list them both. Okay, you have an amazing day, and I will see you later.